Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your source. Make a backup and extract the audio as WAV at the video's sample rate. Once done, load the clip into your audio editor or DAW and find a short noise-only region. This gives you a noise profile. You will use that profile to teach the denoiser what to remove, so be precise. Next, disable any processing chain and set project sample rate to match the file. Mismatches cause artifacts later. You now create a noise print from that short sample and apply a spectral or adaptive denoiser, starting conservatively to avoid artifacts. Once the main hiss is reduced, add a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to cut rumble and drop narrow notches for persistent tones. Make sure to automate wet/dry or use parallel processing so you can blend in the original signal for clarity. This preserves intelligibility. Finish by bouncing short A/B samples, processed versus original, and listen on headphones and speakers. Make a final pass with gentle compression and subtle EQ to restore presence, then export at the original sample rate and preferred format. If something sounds metallic or hollow, reduce the denoiser strength and redo the targeted spectral edits rather than increasing reduction. Spectral repair tools can surgically remove remaining noises without wrecking voice quality.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.